Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am in love with this magnetic tea bag caddy system from Mona Designers. I love how easy it is to get my tea in the morning without going through boxes and drawers to search for the one that I want. Everything is nicely displayed right there in front of me. They are very easy to organize, and I love that they're so easy to move around. They stick really good. The magnets on the back are very strong, but they're not too strong that I can't move them around and rearrange them when I want to. I've put these in so many different arrangements on my fridge, and I've loved them all. They're deep enough to hold several tea bags, and they come in a set of 6, so you can organize and arrange any way that you see fit. Personally, I like different teas for different times of the day, but whether you like your tea in the morning, mid-afternoon, or a soothing cup of chamomile tea before bedtime, this system makes getting your cup of tea easy and fun. So if you're ready to organize your tea bags in a beautiful way, then you're going to love this magnetic tea bag organizer. This would also make a wonderful gift for the tea lover in your life. And that's my point of view.